Hello, dear friends. Today, I am very glad to be here with you to discuss one of the interesting and practical subjects in Photoshop: adjusting photo colors. Proper color adjustment can make a significant difference in the final quality of your images. In this tutorial, we will explore the simplest methods for color adjustment. First, we will review a simple and effective method for adjusting colors in RAW format images. The RAW format has many advantages and allows us greater control over the colors and details of our photos. Then we will turn our attention to images in JPG format. This format is widely used due to its small file size and ease of sharing, but color adjustments in this format can pose specific challenges. We will discuss a straightforward and efficient method for adjusting colors in these types of images. So, are you ready to dive into the world of colors and elevate your photos to a new level? Before I start the video, I just want to remind you that if you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me and allows me to create more great content for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave any comments or questions you have. I'd love to hear from you, and your feedback means the world to me. Now let's get started. First, let's take a look at images in RAW format using the Camera Raw software. After opening a RAW image in Camera Raw within Photoshop, your image will be displayed in full detail. Here, we can make the necessary adjustments for color balancing based on the intensity or lack of colors in the photo. In the right panel, there are various options available for color adjustment. We can utilize tools like exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, temperature, and tint to achieve a desired color balance. These tools allow you to adjust the colors in a way that provides the look and feel you want for your image. Make sure to preview the changes in the image with every adjustment you make to achieve the best result. This practice will help you find a combination of colors and light that brings out the best in your photo. So, let's continue and explore these tools further, and see how we can achieve the best results based on the image and its specific needs. For example, in this image, we can make minor adjustments to address the intensity of the yellow. By making slight changes to the temperature and tint, we can achieve the desired color balance. The amount of change will vary from photo to photo. It's important to note that color perception is subjective, so what looks good to one person may not necessarily be ideal for another. Therefore, experimenting with these settings will help you find the perfect look that resonates with your personal style or the mood you want to convey in your image. Let's take a closer look at how these specific settings work in practice. Now let's adjust the same image in JPG format in a different way. When you open a JPG image in Photoshop, your initial settings may be more limited because this file format loses some color information compared to the RAW format. To enhance the colors in a JPG image, you can start by using the Adjustments panel. Using tools like brightness/contrast, hue/saturation, and color balance, you can help achieve a better color balance and brightness in your image. In the hue/saturation section, you can adjust the saturation levels of the colors, and you can also adjust specific colors using the Selective Color feature. The Color Balance tool allows you to change the balance between the primary colors, red, green, and blue, to achieve the look you want for your image. Keep in mind that when editing JPG images, making adjustments may reduce the image quality somewhat due to compression, so it's important to make changes carefully and gradually. Now let's put these settings into practice and see how we can achieve a pleasing color balance in the JPG image. Finally, you can see the difference in color settings between RAW and JPG images. Editing a RAW image allows for more flexibility and detail retention, allowing you to make extensive adjustments without compromising image quality. You have access to a wider range of color data, which allows for more subtle changes. On the other hand, while editing a JPG image can still make significant improvements, the adjustments can be more limited due to the compression and data loss inherent in this format. Subtle changes can have a more pronounced impact on overall quality, so it's essential to approach these adjustments carefully. By comparing the results of both formats, you can better understand how each format affects your editing process and the final result of your images. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found the content useful and liked what you saw, please show it to me so I can be even more motivated to create more for you. If you have any questions or if there is a topic you would like me to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, take care.